Hello, Disney enthusiasts. It's Michelle with Disney Uncorked. Today, we're diving into something serious, an addiction that millions of us suffer from. Yes, I'm talking about our addiction to Disney World. If you too are constantly dreaming of Mickey ears, Dole whips, and castle views, then you know exactly what I mean. So today, let's laugh through some top funny reasons why we're all addicted to Disney World. Number 10, the smell of Pirates of the Caribbean water. Yes, we all know that smell, and it's strangely comforting. That chlorinated, musty scent of the Pirates of the Caribbean water, it's the smell of home. And let's face it, no candle, air freshener, or essential oil blend will ever get it quite right. Number 9, living for that Mickey waffle. I don't know what it is about putting Mickey's face on a waffle, but somehow it makes it taste better than any other waffle. Is it the shape, the magic, the fact that we're eating waffles at the most magical place on earth? We may never know, but you'll see us ordering them every single time. Number 8, collecting every souvenir mug and popcorn bucket. Normal people buy one coffee mug. Disney people, we buy one for every movie, character, and season. Number 7, walking 10 miles and calling it fun. Only at Disney World would you walk 10 miles a day, go through the entire range of human emotions and line for It's a Small World, and then say, "This is the best vacation ever!" Disney World is the only place where you come back exhausted, but somehow ready for more. Number 6, becoming instant friends with every cast member. For some reason, hearing the phrase, "have a magical day," or "welcome home" from a Disney cast member sounds way better than "have a nice day" from anyone else. And let's be real, we all secretly think we're on a first-name basis with them after one conversation. Cast members, we're your biggest fans. Number 5, the lines we know by heart. "Please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle" isn't just a safety reminder, it's poetry. And we know the Haunted Mansion's "Welcome, foolish mortals" by heart, and who doesn't love hearing, "Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténgase alejado de las puertas." If they ever changed one word in our favorite rides, we would notice immediately. Number 4, obsessing over the food pics. Only at Disney do we take more photos of our food than of our friends or family. We'll spend a full 5 minutes arranging a Mickey pretzel for that perfect shot and then share it like it's breaking news. Did you even eat the snack if you didn't post it? Number 3, planning our next trip before this one is even over. A Disney addiction is so real that halfway through the trip, we're already checking dates, booking a hotel, and deciding which new snacks to try next time. Vacation planning is like a full-time job, but hey, somebody's got to do it. Landing at number 2, meeting characters. You'd think we'd outgrow this, but nope. No matter how old we get, we still freeze up, grin like crazy, and yell out things such as, "Hey, that's Tigger!" We can't help but feel super special when a character waves at us. Coming in at number 1, the rides. Every time we board a Disney World ride, it feels like the first time all over again. Whether it's the thrill of a sudden drop, the nostalgia of a classic tune, or the sheer magic of storytelling, Disney rides have a way of hooking us like nothing else. And yes, we say, "This is the best ride ever!" as if we didn't just crown another one moments before. Somehow, Disney knows how to keep us coming back for more, making every loop, twist, and journey feel like pure enchantment. And there you have it, Disney enthusiasts. 10 funny reasons why we're all hopelessly addicted to Disney World. So, the next time someone asks why you're heading back to Disney for the third time this year, just tell them it's not a vacation, it's a lifestyle. Let me know in the comments what your favorite Disney obsession is, and don't forget to subscribe to Disney Uncorked for more magical Disney content. Until next time, keep the magic alive, and we'll see you real soon.